So I bring in all the wishes and greetings from all the faculty members of SPEED and the team of SPEED to Dr. Alisha, scoring a topmost rank of rank number 6 in a MCH OBG group in NEET SS session 2023. Congratulations and best wishes to you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Great, doctor. Can we know a detailed background history from where you started your medical career till date?
Sir, I did my MBBS and MS both from Lady Hardinge Medical College, Delhi. And then I worked as an SR for 1 year in SMS Jaipur. And I started working, I did my SRship in Bikaner, and then currently I'm working as an SR in Jaipur. And while doing my SRship only, I started preparing and then I got in.
Very good. When you had an idea, I mean, what inspired you to do a super specialty in during an OBG or an after OBG course?
Sir, during my PG itself, I started, since Lady Hardinge didn't have a separate onco department in the hospital. So we used to have a few gynae onco cases also. I used to get very interested in those cases. And particularly just after PG, I was not, too much into the fact that I need to do my MCH. But then my husband prepared last year. He got in. That is where I got inspired from him to read. And that is where I got to know about speed also, because he was also a speed student.
Okay. Now we could understand where it started from, actually.
Yeah.
So he did, and he inspired you to do so. Very good. So what he did actually, what course he did?
He is doing his neurosurgery, MCH neurosurgery from SMS Jaipur.
Okay. So now, once you have decided to go for an MCH gynecologist, am I right?
Yes.
Yeah. So then how you started preparation? What all you did to achieve this topmost rank? Single digit.
Sir, all I did was religiously follow Speed and Revati ma'am.
Okay.
That was the only thing I did from the beginning. I started preparing almost I started reading a year back, just after the last NEET results came out. And then I gave my FET also, but then I was not very nicely preparing for it. Then I couldn't get in. Then I got this thing that I have to now. So I started preparing very religiously after the FET result. And for the last 6 months, I've been following all Revati ma'am's lectures and Speed, everything that comes in the group, all the revision classes, all the the grand test that came in recently. I'd given all of them, and that's what I did. Like nothing else.
So now, how many hours are you working, and also probably you're working and also doing this course simultaneously? How much of time you could spare for this?
Initially, I was reading for around 4 to 5 hours a day, but just a month or two before the exam, I had started reading 7 to 8 hours. I would say when the exam got delayed, I got 20 extra days. That really helped me a lot because I got 1 extra revision to do. So that was a very, good part that I got. So I did everything once again, refreshed everything once again in those last 20 days.
How many questions did you answer?
I answered 148 questions.
148. So 2 questions is just left.
Yeah.
Very good. So, do you believe that attending maximum number of questions is one of the reasons to get the topmost rank?
I think it has to be, because most of the questions, once you've read the course, I feel among most of the questions, you know most of the questions, and among a few questions, you're in doubt between 2, options. So my strategy was, if I have a probability of getting 50% correct, maybe if I answer between the 2 options. So that is why I marked whatever I felt could be the answer.
Okay. Now, what is the message that you want to give to the students who are aspiring for MCH Super Speciality course in OBG group or MCH gynecologist?
I would just want to say that it's not that difficult. If you start preparing, you can do it. And just my message would be, just start following one teacher and one institute. Don't go after multiple things that I need to do this, that. Just start preparing from one way follow one teacher and, read during your PG also, you read properly and then you can go about it. It is not that difficult. That is what I would say, because I'd been working along with that and I was taking out 7 to 8 hours and I could do it. Anybody can do it.
Great. Time to thank whom all you want to thank. You can use this platform to thank who have made or built your career so far.
I would really want to thank, my parents and my husband, who he had inspired me a lot to read. And then my teachers during my MS, my consultants who used to do gynae onco cases that got me, interested in gynae onco. And then I would really like to thank Speed Institute and Revati ma'am especially, that I've been following. And it would not have been really possible without Speed and Revati ma'am.
Great. And Dr. Revati will definitely feel happy after watching this video, and you would have made her day as well. And definitely the Speed team will also be really encouraged on looking onto your feedback as well. So once again, we bring in all the wishes and to you on behalf of Speed Institute to have a great career in MCH Gynec Onco and to keep moving and the way that you want it to be, and also to inspire a lot of people in years to come and doing wonderful job in MCH Gynec Onco. All the best and congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir.